Hi, my name's Dave. I'm the quality manager at Viking Packaging. I'm going to give you a demonstration of our quality checker box. I get the factory ticket with the scoring. I get their box that they set up. I mark the score line. I compare them to the factory ticket to make sure they're accurate. I measure the scoring and the creasing. If there's print, I make sure that the print matches what's on the print card. I confirm that the ident matches. I compare the color of the print to make sure they're matching within spec for what the customer is ordering. I then make sure the print location is where it's supposed to be in the panel and on the right panel. They have handholds, so I check that the handhold is the right size handhold. The last part of it is I get one of the boxes that are glued. So I fold them, make sure the flaps fold right. There's no creep, there's no gaps. The glue tab folds right, it's not sticking out. That the box folds up good. And the final check is I rip the glue tab to make sure it holds and that it's not going to just pop open down the line.
Hello everyone. We're here at the Viking Industry here in New Cross. My role here is a machine operator. So about every 10 boxes we do take a quality check just to make sure everything is up to standard. On the spec, the customer insists that the measurement to be 1 3/4. So you want to check that all around the box just to make sure that's correct. So we're just going to go ahead right here and make a box real fast just to make sure that there's no cracking. It folds pretty neatly along the seam, the score. Right, now we're going to actually make sure that it matches up to the swatch.
Hey guys, my name is Brandon Ferlin, and here's how we do our quality checks off of our Isawa Flexo folder. So we're going to check and make sure our print quality is good, verify that our cert and ID are correct, and that all of the print matches our print card. Once we finish that, we're going to verify that our gaps and our panel sizes are correct. This box is good to go.